Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for a dairy-free, yummilicious rice pudding or the Indian kheer. It's turned out absolutely amazing and you get these little bits that feel like it's rice inside. So I made a batch. I've eaten most of it. A little bowl is left. Let me show you what it looks like and the texture. So here we have it. Can you see that? I want to show you the texture. And can you see all the little bits? It's a very special technique. Let me do a little taste test. Yummilicious. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We begin with 1 cup of coconut cream. Use the full fat coconut cream. Put it into a blender. Now we put 1/4 of a cup of almond flour, 1/4 of a cup of coconut flour and 1 cup of hot water. Give it a good blend and see that it's well blended. Now we'll add 1/2 cup of a sweetener. I've used a stevia erythritol blend. Now we bring this all onto the pan on the stove top and put it in and start heating it up and allowing the liquid to evaporate. Now I've added 1/4 of a cup of shelled hemp seeds. This adds to the nutrition as well as the texture. Now if you want to make kheer, 10 to 12 strands of saffron just added with a bit of the liquid. Put the saffron strands in. If you're making rice pudding, then you will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract at this time. And so right now I'm showing you the kheer. Mix it in. The color will change into this little yellow color. And carry on stirring. Bring it to a boil. And for the kheer again, we are going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now, cardamom powder gives that typical flavor for Indian kheer. It's absolutely yummilicious. Now, if you're making it into rice pudding, completely avoid it and add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to it. So those are the 2 substitutions. Bring to the boil, carry on bringing to the boil, and you'll see that the quantity will decrease. Now take whatever dish you want to put it into, and we're ready to put it into the refrigerator. Let it cool on the countertop and then put it into the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. And here you have amazing kheer rice pudding. Thanks for watching.